So, mag-haul, sorry, hindi na kami nakapag vlog doon sa shop kasi sinita kami. Kaya, mag-haul na lang tayo, okay? So, ito, unahin natin yung sa fruit shop. Nakabili kami ng apple na Royal Gala. It's 1 kilo for $5.99. So, $6.18 ito lahat. And then, we also got watermelon, seedless watermelon. It's $7.43. Mandarin, $16.21. And also, we have grapes na seedless. Paborito to ni Elijah. Kaya kumuha ako. And then, yung orange, paborito naman yun ni Yani. Kaya marami akong kinuha. Ito naman is $5.28. And yung eggplant, $3.59. And yan. So, a total of $38.69 lahat yung nabili namin doon sa fruit shop. And pumunta ako ng Asian store. Well, ito lang yung nabili ko sa Asian store para kay Christian lang. So, ang name ng Asian store, Asian supermarket is Sunlit. So, $6 naman to. Binilhan ko si Christian kasi gustong-gusto niyang dinadala to sa church at pinapakain yung mga doon, yung mga youngsters doon. Ito, bumili lang kami ng dalawang model kit ng Yamaha na motor, na toy. $19.99 yung isa. So, dalawa ang kinuha namin para naman to ngayong Saturday kasi birthday ng anak ng kaibigan ko. Yung dalawang anak niya. So, sa Woolworths, ito yung mga pinamili natin doon. We have ito, Source Tropical Laundry Detergent. It's $8. And ito naman, Chocolate Dairy Snack. It is $6.75. Jinjin Mango Coconut Jelly, 400 grams, $2.30. Where is the jelly drink? Ito ang jelly drinks. It's $2.50. Yung Hello Panda is $8. Ito. Garlic powder. Bumili tayo ng garlic powder. Dalawa. $2.60 for these two. Onion, dried onion is $1.65. Seaweed. Korean seaweed, it's $4. Ito, paborito to ng mga bata at saka ni Christian, kaya hindi pwedeng mawala ito. Is this the version? Ito, pancit bihon, $2.60. So, bumili tayo ng dalawa. $2.60 na for these two. Para sa kanilang dalawa, $2.60 na. Soda water. Soda water. It's $1.60 for 1.1 liter. Lemon cordial, 750 ml. It's $3. So, gold milk, $2.44. Reduced price na to. think $3 yung original niya. Yan. So that's that. And chow mein. Pancit for our bang-i. Ito naman, $2.30. Kettle original. So ito, kettle na sea salt. $4.39. Twisties. Ito naman paborito ko to. Twisties cheese. It's $3. French fries potato chips. Ito gusto ni Ayani to. I'm sure. It's $2.50. White, itong bread. So, we have yung sliced bread na sa Woolworths na sliced bread. White sliced bread. It's $1.50. And hot cross bun na fruitless. Ito, it's $2.80. Reduced price na to. And ito naman yung hot cross bun with mini choc chip. It's $3.50. Yakult. Meron din tayong Yakult. Ito naman, paborito ni Elijah. As in, palagi, pag wala kaming ganito, naghahanap talaga yun ng Yakult. Kaya, kumuha na tayo. And it's $7.70. And my luncheon meat, $2.90. Spam. Spam, hindi ba? Coconut ba to? Ito. Spam is $4.90. Ito. Coconut milk. $2.40 naman yan. And yun, kumuha na ako doon ng banana. Ito, $3.12. And itong bacon, kumuha na ako ng bacon doon. Ito naman yung maple glazed bacon. $7.20. Half a kilo lang yung kinuha ko nito. And facial tissues. Itong tissue. Yan. Dalawa lang na facial tissue. It's $1.90 for this two. And meron pa ba? Tsaka yung ano pala, yung sushi na kinain na namin ng kapatid ko. Yung tempura roll na sushi. $14 naman yun. So, nagastos natin sa Woolworths is $109.55. Yun yung lahat. So, ito na lahat yung haul ko for...
Convert mo yun to peso.
I don't know how much. Hindi ko alam kung magkano ang palit ngayon sa Australian dollars into peso.
Round of food.
Kaya nagutom na yung husband ko, hindi pa kasi kami kumain doon. I mean, ako at saka yung kapatid ko, kumain kami sa mall, pero while kumain kami, si Christian nagpamassage, kaya na-miss out niya yung lunch.